morning, you guys, and welcome back to the channel. I just sneezed twice. My allergies have been driving me absolutely insane. My car is covered in pollen and a bird crapped on my window. So I'm gonna go to the gym and then I'm gonna wash this beautiful piece of work. I don't know what I'm doing today, so we'll kind of figure that out as we go.
We are yet again taking this wheel and tire off my car because it has another slow leak. You do this to me. I show you nothing but love. I throw all my money at you, and you do this to me. It's like having a boyfriend. Literally nothing. Okay. Oh. Ah! My thumb. I gotta stop doing that. Okay, our next adventure is I'm going to attempt to recharge the AC in this car because it's not working and it's 85 degrees outside and I'm dying. I started on this car as my 13th razor. Where the heck? There's nothing. I'm gonna freak out. Where are you? Where are you? And I'm gonna sell this car. I was trying to figure out where the low pressure thing is for my AC because everything's moved around in my engine bay. And I know where the AC line is, but the little quick connect thing wasn't connecting to the little thing that I got. And so my sneaking suspicion, because somebody was trying to help when I was putting on a catch can that didn't work, moved one of my AC lines and was like, no, it's fine. Like, they've got give in them. They can move. Guess who just wiggled the AC line and heard shh, where my refrigerant is leaking out of. I kind of got upset and started doing random shit to my car. I don't know why. I'm ripping out the custom sub box. If anybody local wants to buy it off of me, but it comes with the custom built sub box, all of the like coverings and stuff, plus this cool little, it's paint matched to my car, and then it has a little cover to go over that, but it has a 12-inch sub, an amp. I'm gonna take out all the wiring, so it's literally just gonna be a plug and play kit. And it's gonna take so much weight out of my car. So, thanks for watching, you guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. I'm gonna go drive my car off a mountain.